Emma loved birthdays, but this year she did not expect much. Her parents were away for work, and her older brother, Jake, was busy with school. She thought it would be a quiet day, but her best friends had a big plan. Lily, Emma's closest friend, had been planning the surprise birthday party for weeks. She gathered their friends Michael, Sarah, and David to make the perfect plan. The party would be at Emma's house, but she would not know anything. "Can we really do this?" Michael asked as they sat in the school cafeteria. Of course, Lily smiled. Emma has no idea. "We just need to keep her away from the house until we are ready." David, who was good at distractions, nodded. "I will take her out for ice cream while you set up everything." They had one more problem. They needed Jake's help. Since he was Emma's brother, they needed his permission to use the house. When they told him the plan, he was happy to help. The day before Emma's birthday, the group went shopping for decorations. They bought balloons, fairy lights, a big happy birthday banner, and of course, a chocolate cake with strawberries, Emma's favorite. "She will love this," Sarah said as she put candles in the cart. The next morning, everyone arrived early at Emma's house. Jake let them in, and they started decorating. Michael blew up the balloons, Sarah and Lily hung the fairy lights, and David set up the food. The cake was in the center of the table, ready for the big moment. Meanwhile, David texted Emma, "Hey, do you want to get some ice cream?" Emma, who had no plans, quickly agreed. "Sure, see you in 10 minutes." As planned, David took Emma to their favorite ice cream shop. "Do you have any birthday wishes?" he asked while eating his vanilla ice cream. Emma shrugged. "Not really. I just wish my family were here. But it's okay. I will watch a movie tonight." David smiled, knowing about the surprise. "That sounds nice, but maybe something exciting will happen today." Emma laughed. "Like what? It's a surprise party?" She shook her head. "That's not going to happen." David quickly changed the subject to keep her distracted until Lily texted him, "Everything is ready. Bring her back." When they got back, the house was dark. Emma frowned. "Why is it so quiet?" David hesitated. Maybe Jake went out." Emma stepped inside, and suddenly, the lights turned on. "Surprise!" everyone shouted. Akima gasped, eyes wide in shock. "Oh my God! What? How?" Lily ran over and hugged her. "Happy birthday, Emma." Emma covered her mouth, trying not to cry. "I can't believe this. You did all of this for me." Michael laughed. "Of course. Did you really think we would forget your birthday?" Jake walked up, grinning. "Come on, let's cut the cake before David eats it all." Everyone laughed as they gathered around the table. Emma blew out the candles, made a wish, and cut the first slice. The party was amazing. They played music, danced, and played games like charades and truth or dare. Michael even tried karaoke, making everyone laugh with his funny singing. As the night continued, Emma sat back and smiled. She thought this birthday would be lonely, but it was the best birthday ever. Before the party ended, Lily gave her a small box. One more surprise. Emma opened it and gasped. Inside was a photo album filled with pictures of their best memories. On the first page, there was a note. No matter where we are, we will always be here for you. Happy birthday. Tears filled Emma's eyes as she hugged her friends. Thank you. This is the best birthday ever. And so, they continued celebrating, making more memories to keep forever.